So today I want to talk about a few things, one of them being a great milestone for the channel, and then a little frustration that came along the way. What's going on, party people? It's your boy Jay Phrygian, aka Jay Fridge, aka JP, aka just Jay. Cause y'all know can't nobody say their name right, but it's alright. You know, people will learn soon enough. Alright, everybody, so peep. First of all, your boy has officially hit 100 subscribers. And you know what that means? Most of y'all probably actually don't know what that means at all. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I've already done a lot of the other things that reached a certain milestone for my channel. I've been active for over 30 days. I've actually been active for over a year. Got over 100 videos. You can go check them out at any point. Plenty of playthroughs, commentary, gaming news, internet hot takes, whatever your fancy is. Got a profile picture and a banner image. So what that means is your boy was eligible for his custom URL. That's right. Officially, I can now say that you can find me at youtube.com/jphrygian. In all places. Type it in your browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. If you really use that, I don't know why you would. I was super excited about this because for the most part, I don't fully advertise my YouTube channel other than, hey, click the link in the description below, or here's my YouTube link. Because when you first start a YouTube channel, you got youtube.com/xyy_32xzq?@. So it's really not worth advertising verbally. So this was a huge milestone for your boy. Just understand that. But along the way, I had a little bit of frustration because as far as it's understood, once you reach your 100 subscribers, you eventually get a notification, you know, that you got those 100 subscribers, and you get access to a link in your settings to be able to set your custom URL. So like anything else, obviously instant gratification is a really big thing when it comes to our generation. I was ready to get my custom URL right then and there. But when I didn't see the option to be able to do it, I for sure was like, okay, maybe it just takes a little bit of time. So I waited and waited and waited. And it got to the point that it was, you know, it had been a few days. Everything that I read was like, it could take a few days. I had gotten the email from YouTube saying, congratulations on 100 subscribers. So where was my custom URL? So I'm sitting here doing all the research. Yo, I'm going through, looking in their Q&A and everything. And I'm not, like, everything that it's saying, I'm not seeing. I even went to try to check the custom URL eligibility in my YouTube settings, and I don't have the little link that takes you to the eligibility for other things on YouTube. I don't know when YouTube decided to change up everything. I was seeing videos even from a couple months ago where people had a link to look at all their eligibility features, but I, for some reason, don't got them. I don't really understand why I don't got them, but that's beside the point, apparently. Bro, it really just was a lot. I was researching, I was looking through Twitter. I even got to the point that I was looking through different Q&A, YouTube videos, threads. Everything was telling me to do the exact steps that I just showed you. Bro, I even went as far as to find this thread here that showcased from November 25th, 2020, saying, hey, I met the criteria, why am I not getting the link? And there's question after question, reply after reply of people having the same frustration. People with 100, 200, 300 subscribers, and they couldn't get their custom URL. And I was like, yo, it's July 2021. I couldn't see it just then, but I even posed the question in there, like, yo, it's July 2021. Why don't y'all have an answer on this? Like, the only answer I think I saw from YouTube was the link to what I showed you earlier of how to go to the custom URL customization. That was redundant. It just wasn't making any sense. I was super confused. I'm like, bro, I'm trying to advertise the YouTube. It's easier to be able to say, youtube.com/jphrygian than it is to be able to, yo, here, copy paste this link into your browser. You know what I'm saying? So it finally got to the point that I was like, hey man, I'm over this. So I did what any sane person would do. I decided to at YouTube on Twitter, yo, why I can't get my custom URL. Took a little bit, but eventually Team YouTube on Twitter actually did hit me back in the thread. They were like, hey, what can we do for you? What's going on? Have you followed these steps? I told them what I had been doing. I let them know like, hey, I've gone to the customization page. I've gone to the advanced settings on my YouTube channel, and I don't see any of the links that y'all are talking about. They advise, you know, I clear cache, I clear cookies, and see if that helped, and to no avail, to be perfectly honest with you. But they were super helpful. They were very responsive. Obviously, they get a lot of questions, and I mean, I was busy working too, so I was answering them back when I could. But they hit me with, you know, let us know what URL you want if you're still having issues, and we'll go ahead and figure it out. And, you know, after a little bit of talking back and forth, lo and behold, Team YouTube did something on the back end. They did something with, they hacked the mainframe, you know, plugged into the matrix and everything, and somehow got me my little custom URL section right here in my settings in order for me to be able to set it. So shouts out to Team YouTube on Twitter. It was really weird. I wasn't able to hit them in the DM. I was trying to, because I didn't necessarily want to post what I wanted the URL to be all over Twitter. But I mean, they were fast enough. And I guess, like, I don't know, the likelihood that anybody cared to necessarily take this when I'm only at 100 subscribers is a little silly, I know, to think of. But hey man, I'm trying to make sure that my brands are completely the same across the board. So when you search for Jay Phrygian, you can find me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, all of those platforms. So those were the steps that I had to take in order to get my custom URL. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if you've reached 100 subscribers and had issues getting your custom link or any of these features that are supposed to show on the YouTube page. From what I understand, I feel like obviously YouTube, y'all have had a problem since November last year, and there's a lot of people who experience it. I don't know if y'all been hitting them in the email from that thread to do the same thing that y'all did for me, or if they had to go through Twitter in order to get it. I don't know, but I definitely felt like I had to jump through hoops to do a process that they have a frequently asked questions section for. If you enjoyed the video, you found it informative, please feel free to hit the like button, help boost me in the algorithm, show me to other people, as well as comment down below, as I said before, if you've experienced this problem, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. You can also find me on all other platforms and social media. You can click the link in the description box down below. It'll take you to my link tree. And of course, let me know what you think of the thumbnail, and in general, what you think of the thumbnail game. I've been trying to upgrade, do a little bit better, be a little bit more creative than just putting a screenshot of me with whatever I was doing in the game. Peep the thumbnail again if you didn't really think about it. Let me know if that's what made you click the video. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Deuces.